Say what? Boudreaux's butt paste. That's what you use. Boudreaux's butt paste. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. 2 days before your first birthday. 2 días más para su cumpleaños. It's 6:30 in the morning. That's when Orion likes to get up. Uh-oh. He's getting over a cold. He's got a Buzz Lightyear and Woody shirt on. That's what he slept in. He's eating some bread. A little appetizer before breakfast. Since they don't serve breakfast this early. Why don't you show us how you can walk, buddy? You want to? Huh? Why don't you show us how you can walk? You're a good walker and a good eater, and you got 2 little teeth in the front there on the bottom. Yeah, you do. Yes, you do, boy. Yeah. 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 I love you, Orion. Oh. You are a really big boy. Oh, thank you. Whoa. Buzz Lightyear to the rescue! Oh, he's going to stand up in the bed. Hopefully he won't wipe out. Whoa! That boy is really big. And he's got some butt paste. Oops, there it goes. And he's still got some bread that he's using to feed himself. He's a big boy. He's got the butt paste again. He wants me to hold him. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. I'm going to hold you. See you later. Happy birthday, buddy. Feliz cumpleaños.